I'm Chandler.
I'm Kyle.
And Karen.
All righty. And each of you, can you answer the question for me of what do you like about Only Make-Believe performances?
I like it because it's like such creative. You could basically like do anything you want with it. Even spill the beans if you want to. Spill the beans about someone's secret if you wanted to.
I just love the fact that he has a space where he can enjoy and flourish in his own creativity. Well, I love that Kyle's kind of come out of his shell. Like the first performance we came to, he was in the back, which is his favorite place, and has solitude in a small place because with his autism, that's a safe place for him. But not here. You guys just reached in and you all pulled him right out of that safe space, and I love it. We measure with autism breakthroughs, and I consider that a breakthrough moment. I cried, Robin cried, we were all crying because next thing you know, here's Kyle and he's speaking in front of people and interacting and singing and dancing, and that's a breakthrough with the kids with autism. And he has sensory issues, but in here, the music and the joy,
all that vanishes.
Yes, it just vanishes, and he flourishes while he's in here. And I've seen him take it outside of this space, and that's a big deal as well. So we love it.
I believe.
I believe. I believe in make believe.
All right.
Awesome.